Number 29, Pocket Flip. This one is an app only for iPhone users. Sorry, Android folks. Pocket Flip is the top app to collect gift cards by taking pictures and completing surveys with your iPhone. It's easy and it's fast. Just install Pocket Flip and keep an eye out for missions near you and earn. You can get a wide range of cash rewards, including Visa or MasterCard virtual credit cards, PayPal, and many more. You get paid through helping the brands improve their services by answering consumer surveys and taking pictures with your smartphone, and get rewards for location-based tasks. Number 28, Tooa AI. This side hustle empowers you to get paid to do short tasks online. Some of these short tasks include outline objects, search for information, take photos, rate search results, as well as others. The resultant data can be used for research or other purposes. Now, Tooa pays you in US dollars for completing online tasks. The amount of the reward will vary depending on how hard the task is, the skill level needed, and availability of tasks in your region. However, it is possible to make more than $100 monthly. Tooa has been good for many people, including Roberto from Mexico, who uses the extra money to pay for his streaming services. It's a fun way to earn extra money and learn new skills.